Welcome to Indian Hollywood Fan, and today we are going to talk about Wanda and Vision's journey in the MCU so far. जैसे कि आप सब जानते ही होंगे कि फ्राइडे को वांडा विजन डिज्नी प्लस हॉटस्टार पे रिलीज होने वाली है. So before that, we are taking a look back at the very first time we see Wanda or the very first time we see Vision in the MCU. The first time we saw Wanda was way back in the mid-credit scene of Captain America: The Winter Soldier. उस सीन में हम पहली बार वांडा को देखते हैं along with her twin brother पिएत्रो. तो दोनों को जो उनके पावर्स होते हैं वो माइंड स्टोन से मिलते हैं थैंक्स टू हाइड्रा एंड बैरॉन स्ट्रकर. उन दोनों वो सेम स्टोरी लाइन एज ऑफ अल्ट्रॉन में कैरी फॉरवर्ड होती है. For the entirety of the film, Wanda and Pietro are actually villains because they ally with Ultron. But by the end of the film, they join hands with the Avengers when they understand that Ultron का जो plan है वो actually Avengers को extend करना नहीं है बल्कि human race को extend करना है. By the end of it, Wanda realizes it and then changes side, and then basically they also show Vision's first appearance in Age of Ultron. He's a mixture of the Mind Stone as well as a vibranium body, and also he's an android, but he also has human feelings because Tony Stark integrates Jarvis, his AI, into the android's body, and obviously we get Vision. So basically ये है उन दोनों characters की origin story. लेकिन फिर उनकी स्टोरी आगे बढ़ती है इन कैप्टन अमेरिका सिविल वॉर, वेर दे स्टार्ट टू डेवलप रोमांटिक फीलिंग्स टू ईच अदर. और फिर हमें देखने को मिलता है कि both Wanda and Vision go against each other when they have to choose sides between Iron Man and Captain America. Obviously, Wanda goes along with Cap's team, and Vision, who is adamant on his decision about the Sokovia Accords, वो आयरन मैन की टीम में ही रहता है. और बेसिकली ये जो सिविल वॉर का जो एयरपोर्ट सीन है उसमें विजन ऑलमोस्ट किल्स वॉर मशीन, एंड ऑब्वियसली Wanda gets arrested after that, but Cap saves her along with Falcon and his rest of his team. उसके बाद the story goes ahead in Avengers Infinity War, where both these characters play a very crucial role. Obviously Vision के सिर पे Mind Stone है, so that's why he is one of the prime targets of Thanos. And we learn that Wanda and Vision have been living together in Europe, and they get attacked by the children of Thanos. But Captain America, Falcon and Black Widow, Wanda and Vision को बचाते हैं from Proxima Midnight, and they finally go to the Avengers headquarters, and then from there they learn that they can remove Vision's Mind Stone and still Vision can be the same. So they go to Wakanda to T'Challa, and in hopes that the Wakandans can save Vision as well as the Mind Stone. And Shuri works on removing the Mind Stone from Vision without killing him. But at the end of the day, Thanos की army आ जाती है, and obviously we have the big fight. But Thanos आ जाता है वहाँ, and then Wanda has no choice but she has to kill Vision to destroy the Mind Stone. But obviously Thanos uses the Time Stone, and he manages to get the Mind Stone out of him anyway. But obviously we know how Infinity War ends, and Wanda is one of those people who get dusted, who got snapped. But then we do see Wanda come back in Endgame, and she goes into full beast mode, and she's almost just so close to killing Thanos. But obviously Thanos orders to rain fire, and then she gets distracted. But obviously her story kind of ends there. The last time we see Wanda was in Endgame, and obviously the last time we see Vision is in Infinity War. So it's been a while. We have not really been into these characters, and I'm really excited to see what exactly we might get to see in WandaVision on Friday. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. May the force be with you always. Subscribe कीजिए दोस्तों.